Today's wig review is going to be on Jessie's wig. I received this hair within about 3 days. It did come through FedEx, so of course it does come actually a lot faster than the USPS. So this wig again came in about 3 days. It does have a nice packaging. It did have a wig cap, an elastic band, and a brochure on the inside. This is a number 4 chocolate brown 26-inch 180% density. I believe this wig is about a deep wave curly wig. And honestly, I'm not really sure what kind of lace it has on, whether it's transparent or HD, but it definitely has a very nice lace and frontal. I did actually have to do a double look because I seen that frontal and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so big. So it has a very nice frontal on it. As you can see, I am showing you how long it is and how thick the hair is with it just being in the natural state. It does come with an elastic band that's pre-made into the wig. It does have a different feel compared to the other bands, but it is still elastic. It does also have the adjustable straps in the inside, as well as 3 combs at the top and 1 at the bottom. The wig does have a very good stretch, so if you do have an overly sized head, this wig will be perfect for you. The wig does come pre-plucked as well, so you don't necessarily have to pluck it, but I know some people do go back and pluck some more for a natural look. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm TearaShanice. Today's wig installing video is going to be on Jessie's wig. Everything will be listed down below. This is a chocolate brown wig. I did just recently bleach the knots and all that, so that is why it is wet. This wig so far is absolutely gorgeous, and I have so many pros about this hair so far, but I'm not going to really jump into it at this moment. So just keep watching. I'm going to get more details later on. This is the wig. This is the wig, and it is very, very, very long. Very long, but I don't want to make this video very long, but I am going to jump right into it, and just keep watching. I'm just going to provide all the details about this wig as I'm installing. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, and if you do end up liking this video, please give me a thumbs up. But let's just keep watching. So the hot comb I'm using is from the Slay collection. I believe the Instagram page is Work Pray Slay. I've been following this girl for a very long time. This is absolutely the best hot comb so far. Like, I used to use Kendra's Boutique, but this is the hot comb I use now. But yeah, so I am just going to install the wig. So I like to see exactly how the wig fits on my head first before I do anything. So again, I'm not going to do the ball cap method. I wanted just to see if I could do it something really quick. So as I put this wig on my head, this lace is so thin, I seen my whole cap through it, and honestly I really thought I was going to get away with it, but I ended up going back and doing the ball cap method. I'm not gonna lie, I did one really quick because I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna install this perfectly good wig and all you see is my cap underneath. Alright, so this step is very important. If you don't do anything else, please at least just do this one step. You're going to clean your hairline before you actually apply your glue, and you know, you may just apply it just to your cap. You do want to make sure you apply it above your hairline, just in case you do have glue in those areas. You don't need product buildup and anything that's going to irritate your skin, so definitely make sure you sanitize above your hairline and where the glue can possibly be. And again, I'm just going to go back with my hair dryer on cool and make sure that alcohol is dry before I apply my glue. So now that I have the wig on my head, I am just going to take my fine tooth comb and comb it into the hairline that I applied the glue. You do want to make sure it's fitting in all the right places. So like the wig I have on, I did place it above my ears. So it's basically on top of my ears because I'm just going to go back with my scissors and cut around. If it feels tight, please loosen the adjustable strap. So I did end up loosening the adjustable straps in the back because it was kind of tight around my ears, but all the other areas it fit perfectly. Like This wig was not too small at all, like it fit perfectly. But around my ear tops, I did have to really just fit it on and just move it around my ears so it can fall into place. Y'all, I fell in love with this lace. You will see the results. So the lace on this wig is very thin. The lace is very thin and it does stretch. Usually I have like an average size has like a 22.5, so that's about as big as the wig is. But y'all can see right through this wig. Like, this wig is perfect, y'all. I love it. So I did just cut both sides. I did cut some on each side, and I hate to say it, y'all, this wig was so thin, like the lace is so thin, I actually ripped it a little bit on this side of my ear. I actually ripped it a little bit when I was pulling it. It ripped. That's how thin this lace is. But you want thin lace. Like, you want thin lace. Thin lace is better. I also want to mention with this wig comes pre-plucked, y'all. I didn't pluck anything on this wig. I plucked a little bit, like where the baby hair area is behind it. You'll be able to tell. But as far as the hairline, I didn't pluck anything. Like, this wig came perfect. Like, it came perfect. From the lace, from the thickness, from the length, from the color. Everything was perfect. From the size of the frontal, like, this wig was perfect. Honestly, the only con I have with this hair is that it shed. But it's shedding where it's okay. Like, it's not unbearable. So it did shed after I bleached the knots, which is understandable. And honestly, you didn't really necessarily have to bleach the knot because this wig is brown, so you can get away with it. But y'all, this hair is not brassy. The knots were not brassy. As you can see, it looks like it's coming from my scalp. I mean, I'm sorry, this is my real hair. But this hair is like all around nice. Like, it's really nice. Like, this, I think this is HD. I don't know. Like, that's how good it looks. It looks so good, and it was so easy. And when I was bleaching the knots, so I bleached with BW2 as well as 40 volume developer, and I left it on for about 10 minutes and it was already ready. That fast. It was ready after 10 minutes. Like, to highly recommend, don't leave it on long because it's already brown hair, which brown hair means this probably was already processed. But this wig is nice. Like, it's nice. I don't really have anything bad to say about this hair. I'm honestly going to start buying brown hair. Like, it looks like it's coming from my scalp. Like, this is like my favorite wig, honestly. Like, I never had an all brown wig that I didn't have to do myself. I usually bleach wigs to brown and it comes out really dry. But this wig is just, you know, already made. It's already, all you have to do is just install it. So I really love that about this hair. So with it already being brown, it does have a little dryness to it. I did try to do a leave-in conditioner for it. I think I left it on for about 2 hours. But I didn't, during this whole process, I didn't add any moisture to it. So that is my fault. I literally just put water on it and that was it. I didn't add any moisture to it. But of course I am going to add some a leave-in conditioner to it, but I didn't add anything else to it, and it's just perfect. It does have a dry, but it has like that natural, I wouldn't say coarse, but that natural feel texture to it. Like, it's your hair. Like, it's not silky at all. It's not silky. And it does sort of have like a slight shine to it around the frontal area. And that's about it. But this hair is very nice. Like, highly recommend it. I had no troubles with anything on it. Now, I did leave out too much baby hairs, but I did go back and pull some back, and I am going to show you how I do my baby hairs. But it was kind of hard not being right up in the mirror, so I did have to do the rest off screen. But I hope y'all are enjoying this video so far. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and let's just keep watching.